Hi, I'm Darley Newman, and I'm here in Detroit, Michigan. We are getting the inside scoop on the city, including the amazing architecture at places like Michigan Central Station.
It was really important as they were thinking about designing this originally that it became a landmark for the city and as a major entry point in Detroit.
We're diving into Detroit architecture, including stunning buildings like this.
The Guardian Building is an Art Deco masterpiece skyscraper built in 1929.
We're getting artsy, making our own jewelry and helping women along the way with Rebel Nell.
What a perfect souvenir is to take home an actual piece of the city.
The best way to see the city is on two wheels.
We're meeting artists like Ndubisi Okoye to learn about Detroit's public art scene.
Murals are booming these days. Detroit, I like to say, is the most creative place in the world.
Welcome to Travels with Darley in Detroit.